Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody. Now let's take a look again on the gold market. Here guys, actually everything goes with the plan. So nothing really curious has happened recently, although on the euro currency, as we discussed today, we saw some dramatic action during the press conference. But gold market is significantly less sensitive to the other central bank decisions except Fed Reserve, and that's why you can see actually no impact as from the European Central Bank, as from the Bank of England. Just minor volatility has happened around the predefined targets. That's in particular also point on the background of the euro currency performance. It is mostly based on a recent statement of the European Central Bank, but we think that investors are deceiving themselves. So actually, I personally do not see something really positive in European Central Bank policy and in general in the economy situation in the European Union. I think that this performance, some inspiration that we see mostly short term. It's very soon these investors, some revelation will come, and it will come some understanding that this is wrong direction. So on the gold market, keep watching for a downward continuation. If we'll take a look at the dollar index, as I shown already today in the euro currency video, let's take a look here. We have the free drive pattern actually. And I suggest, at least I'm hope that this will become the starting point of the bread and butter that we're watching. Because if you will take a look at the greater time frame on the monthly chart, you will see that actually we're standing at a 30% support. Market has formed here the free drive buy on the daily chart, and since market probably overextended on the weekly chart as well, so stands near the result. It really could be that this might become the points that we are watching for. This will become the reversal point, and this is quite in time appearing of the free drive buy. We have two grubbers on the bottom, both bullish grubbers that suggest more dollar strength. Based on this analysis, minimum target based on the grubber stands right there, so market should take it out of the 105.25 area, this top, but based on the free drive, it should climb higher, at least above the top of this between second and third drives. So it should be somewhere around 106 area. It means that while the dollar will keep going higher, as the euro currency will be under pressure, as the gold market will be under pressure, and that's why simultaneously with the dollar index on the gold market, we also could get the performance in the way of the Brent bottom on the monthly chart, which suggests significantly deeper action, as we already talked about, is somewhere around 17 even, where the potentially right arm bottom of the big head and shoulders pattern could be formed. That's what we expect to see in the midterm perspective. This is just the beginning of the action, and it means that if you have missed the opportunity to take the short position recently on Friday, you have a lot of options ahead, a lot of chances ahead. And take a look even here on the daily chart. We've got some kind of the evening star pattern that suggests the minor retracement could happen, and market then could continue downward action. With the background of the dollar index, we have the confidence that this action to the downside should continue. So this is more or less comfortable to make the decision on the short entry. On the 4-hour time frame chart, you could see that our target has not been reached yet. So as on the dollar index, as on gold, free drive is not completed, and gold should drop more below this area to complete it, and potentially also take a look that we could get some kind of the head and shoulders pattern later. So theoretically you could get it here as well from these two tops, but the point is that actually the difference here is just 127, and on the head and shoulders is more typical 1.618 ratio. That's why I suggest that maybe small chances exist that we could get the hand and shoulders a bit lower, somewhere from the 1730 area. Which might be some pullback here. We will see, but at least this is the pattern that we need to keep in mind in general. Also, we have the divergence here. Well, actually, divergence, guys, also hints on the taking out of the lows. So divergence between these two tops is minimum target usually taken out of these lows. There's two tops, the same, these lows between the two nearest top standing, and actually the same as the 3 drive. Speaking about the position taken, take a look what we have on the hourly chart. That's what we discussed on Friday. Different ABCDs, completion of the XOP. Unfortunately, at this point, retracement was very small. So we thought it's maybe a bit greater for position taking, but it was very small, and then market just collapsed. So simultaneously on the way down, take a look, market has formed bearish reversal swing, because this swing down is greater than previous swing up. It totally erased the CPI reaction, which looks bearish right now, and some targets already has been done. So take a look, this is XOP, this ABCD pattern is completed, and even larger ABCD pattern is also completed. Now market stands in a tight retracement, tight consolidation. So we could see in a way probably of some triangle market forming. Now you could consider correspondingly some levels for position taking. If we have 2 confluence levels, this probably should be enough to make the decision on the entry. So for instance, you could try to take position near the first confluence, placing stop above the second, or trying to wait and see what will happen. Maybe market will show a bit deeper retracement, although in the current circumstances I'm not sure that definitely will happen. So just downward action is continuing, and we could just move in with it and see what will happen next.